Hello everyone. Welcome to our today's programming challenge. In this video, we'll convert the C code to Python so that the Python program executes successfully, passing the test cases. For example, we'll convert two integers into a formatted floating point number and print it with 2 decimal places. We start by taking 2 integers as input from the user, which are separated by a space. These integers are stored in variables x and y. Next, we create a string named floatVal using an f string. This string is constructed by formatting x as the integer part and y as the decimal part without padding zeros. Then we convert this floatVal into a floating point number by using the float function, storing the result in the variable val. Finally, we print the value of val using an f string with :.2f format specifier, which ensures that the output is displayed with 2 decimal places. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more programming solutions and challenges. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.